These are the 17 coolest gadgets for men that are totally worth seeing. Let's go! JK8X, the ultimate 101 screwdriver engraver. It packs incredible versatility into a compact, lightweight design. With 100 premium magnetic bits and a high-precision engraving knife, it's ready for everything from electronics repairs to crafting custom designs. The built-in magnetizer, demagnetizer keeps screws secure, while hidden handle storage keeps essentials close. The ergonomic grip and durable build make it comfortable to use for long projects. Its ability to engrave on wood, metal, glass, and plastic truly makes it a multi-purpose powerhouse. Hengbot Sirius, the world's first trainable AI robotic dog. It blends cutting-edge AI with an irresistibly lifelike personality. Its 5 TOPS AI processor allows it to recognize voices, gestures, and faces, making interactions natural and fun. The customizable persona, from playful Corgi to loyal Husky, adds a personal touch for every owner. Built from aerospace-grade aluminum, it's tough yet light enough to carry anywhere. With award-winning design and up to an hour of active play, Sirius is as charming as it is advanced. Carbon Razor Blade Cleaner. It transforms blade care with its advanced graphene-based design. By extending razor life up to 2 years, it saves money and reduces waste, making it both cost-effective and eco-friendly. The dual cleaning technology removes dirt and residue with ease, keeping shaves consistently smooth. Its compact, non-slip design makes it perfect for home or travel. Built from 5 years of research, this pad is a clever, sustainable solution for shaving enthusiasts. Gemini Cable. It takes charging to a whole new level with its 240-watt power capacity and dual-channel design. Switching between dual fast charging or independent cables is seamless, perfect for multitasking with multiple devices. Intelligent power distribution ensures fast charging while protecting battery health. Built from durable flame-retardant silicone with an aluminum alloy shell, it's made to last. The integrated Apple Watch charger adds extra convenience, making it an essential tech accessory. Camingo. It offers an incredibly simple way to upgrade any standard bike into a 750-watt powerhouse. The lightweight system installs in seconds, delivering up to 55 miles of range in assist mode. Its torque and pressure adaptive technology make hill climbs effortless, while regenerative braking boosts efficiency. With IP66 protection and smart safety sensors, it's built for any weather. Quiet, portable, and powerful, Camingo makes e-bike performance more accessible than ever. This Cybertruck-inspired charger combines bold design with excellent performance. It delivers fast wireless charging for an iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods all at once, with precise magnetic alignment for hassle-free placement. The adjustable dock allows for comfortable viewing angles, and the hidden pop-up watch charger saves space. Soft LED indicators keep things subtle for nighttime use. Sleek, compact, and functional, it's a stylish way to keep devices powered and organized. This mini drone impresses with its crisp 4K 1080p HD camera, delivering breathtaking aerial shots and smooth video footage. Its professional 5-sided obstacle avoidance ensures a safe and steady flight, even for beginners. The foldable arm design makes it easy to carry on any adventure. Navigation feels intuitive with the responsive radio remote control. Features like headless mode and one-key auto-return add confidence to every flight, making it a reliable and fun drone for all skill levels. The Tigi RC robot dog is packed with charm and interactivity, offering a wide range of movements from walking and turning to playful kung fu dances. Voice control, motion programming, and feeding features add an engaging, lifelike touch. The robot entertains with music, stories, and fun tricks that captivate both kids and adults. Durable construction ensures long-lasting enjoyment, while the companion app makes control a breeze. It's an educational and entertaining companion that brings hours of joy. This electric pump is a sleek, reliable solution for quick tire inflation, whether on the road or trail. Its 150 psi capacity handles everything from mountain bike tires to road bikes effortlessly. Crafted from lightweight aluminum alloy, it's built for durability and portability. The compatibility with both Schrader and Presta valves saves time and hassle. The digital gauge and auto stop feature ensure accurate, safe inflation every time. Perfect for cyclists and travelers needing a compact, powerful tool. This cool metal agent pistol EDC fidget toy combines style, durability, and stress relief in one sleek package. Crafted from premium alloy, it offers a satisfying tactile feel and solid build quality. The shooting mechanism, complete with 20 plastic bullets and a steel target, provides hours of engaging fun. Its impressive 394-inch range makes for surprisingly precise aim. Compact and portable, it's perfect for on-the-go fidgeting while easing stress and boosting focus. A standout gift for both kids and adults. This docking station elevates gaming with crystal-clear, high-resolution audio that captures every in-game detail. 4 versatile modes: spatial audio, step sound enhancement, game balance, and custom-allow tailored sound experiences. With 60-watt fast charging, devices stay powered through long sessions. Its lightweight design and long cable make it easy to set up anywhere. Wide compatibility with USB-A, Type-C, and 3.5mm headphones ensures flexibility across devices. A must-have for gamers seeking both performance and convenience. This 8-wheel RC robot dog delivers non-stop action with stunts, speed, and style. 15 exciting stunt modes, from 360-degree spins to obstacle climbing, keep kids engaged for hours. The durable, water-resistant build handles both indoor and outdoor play with ease. LED lights, music, and sound effects bring it to life for an immersive experience. Its rechargeable battery and sturdy suspension make it ready for endless fun. A fantastic birthday gift that combines entertainment and durability. This miniature alloy forklift delivers big fun in a compact size. Built from strong zinc alloy, it's both durable for active play and detailed enough for collectors to display. The functional forks, cargo hook, and pallet make it feel incredibly realistic. Smooth remote control operation allows precise movement and effortless lifting. LED lights and engine sounds add excitement, creating an engaging experience for kids and enthusiasts alike. The Funky's Mini Retro Flip is a portable blast from the past. Its vivid 1.54-inch IPS screen makes retro games look sharp and colorful. The clamshell design keeps the screen protected and slips easily into a pocket or onto a keychain. It runs Game Boy, NES, and SNES titles with smooth performance. Responsive buttons and support for thousands of games make it a nostalgic joy to carry anywhere. This drone is a professional-grade flyer that captures stunning 8K video. Its brushless motor and optical flow positioning ensure stable, smooth flights every time. Dual adjustable cameras provide creative flexibility for aerial shots. 4-sided obstacle avoidance keeps it safe, even in tricky spaces. With intelligent modes like trajectory flight and gesture photography, shooting incredible footage becomes effortless. Foldable arms and LED lights make it stylish and easy to carry. These 4K HD camera glasses blend modern style with high-quality recording capabilities. They capture crisp, detailed 4K video at 30 ps, making them perfect for cycling, adventures, or casual vlogs. A prime lens ensures sharp visuals, while the lightweight frame offers lasting comfort. A 1-hour charge provides up to 120 minutes of recording time. Dual power mode supports continuous shooting, so no moment goes unrecorded during any activity. The Lenovo GM2 Pro delivers powerful sound and reliable performance for gaming and music. With Bluetooth 5.3, it offers a stable, low-latency connection ideal for fast-paced gameplay. Dual-mode switching makes moving between calls and games seamless. The 10mm drivers produce clear highs and deep bass, enhancing every track and sound effect. Comfortable, sweat-proof, and boasting up to 30 hours of battery life, these earbuds are ready for any long session.